Take a ride in the 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.